I'm in the process of fixing my AC. Back to 944 muscle. Rewinding a little bit, I'm in the process of fixing my AC. So I'm going to be replacing this AC compressor and the AC dryer and some seals. I took off this AC compressor today. It's really not hard. All you gotta do is loosen the belt tensioner, which is right here. I'll show you. And then you gotta loosen these. This is a 10 millimeter. This connects to the AC compressor. And here's another one up here. I don't know if you can see that right there. And this, you gotta loosen this. This is what codes the compressor to the engine. This is a 17, and in the back here you have a 13. Once you loosen all that, the compressor will come down and you just take it off. It's pretty easy, not that hard. This is the dryer. This goes off with two screws or nuts that holding it on to this here. And here's the other one. It's right there. Kind of small. You have to pop your headlights up. Make sure you disconnect the battery. And you need your gauges. Got these at Harbor Freight for $33. I think they were having a sale or something. Alright guys, I'm just working on this as much as I can. I gotta go to work, so this will probably be a series of videos. Alright, see you on the next video. Alright, so on this part of the video, I'm going to be talking about this compressor. This is the AC compressor, and it comes with oil already. But per the instructions, you have to drain the oil. This oil has to be drained because it comes with R12 oil. So don't just buy the compressor and install it and then put the Freon and all that. You have to do a little bit of research with the compressor to keep it cool. No, I was kidding. So the compressor comes with oil. It's R12 oil. You can't use that unless you're gonna put R12 Freon. Okay, but I'm not gonna put that, even though I have it. I have some cans in here, but I'm not gonna put this in there. I'm gonna go with R134A. R134A, that's what I'm gonna use. So I called the manufacturer and they said, well, I ordered the whole kit. I ordered the compressor, the dryer, and the other little thing. It's the, I forgot what it's called. Anyway, I'll let you know later. Maybe I'll write it here somewhere so you can see. But and it comes with oil and seals, all kinds of seals. So inside here, there's some little seals. Those have to be replaced on the new one. And if you're wondering, this is the part that goes towards the 944 headlights, and this part goes that way towards the engine and driver's seat. Okay, just in case you don't know that or if you forgot, like I did. Anyway, so I'm gonna drain this oil into this cup, measure it, and weigh it in ounces, just so I can, just for shits and giggles, or just in case you want to know, or I need to know also, because they said that the oil that I bought is R12 and R134A compatible. So that's good because I don't have to drain out or flush all the lines or whatever. And also when you get your compressor, it doesn't come with this part. I took this off the old compressor. See, it used to go there. And side note, this compressor didn't have any oil in it. It was bone dry. Well, one drop came out. So anyway, I cleaned this with my pressure washer and dried it with my air compressor, so it's completely dry now. So this is gonna go on the new compressor this way. Anyway, let's drain this. I'm gonna try and drain this so you can see it. I'm gonna get my tripod so it can hold the camera. Alright, so I'm gonna unscrew these 4 screws, take off those plates. Actually, I'll just take off this first plate, the one with this thing here, the pressure release valve. I'm gonna take that off first and drain that side. That way I won't make a mess. And then I'll take this one off and drain that side. this is how I have it set up. Okay, there's 1.5 ounces of oil came out. All right, so that takes care of the compressor part where you drain the oil. Taking off this cover so I can get to the expansion valve. It's under the blower, so all this has got to come out. There's just, I think, 4 8mm bolts holding this blower on. But the thing is, this is glued, so I'm gonna go get my wife's hair blower and loosen up the glue so I can take this off. Hopefully it won't crack it or break it. Mine's still in great shape. This is just secured by this I don't know what this is called. It just goes in there. It's just like a seal. It's just in there like that. There was nothing else holding this on besides this and some glue. So I'll get the blow dryer now. Alright guys, it's going good with the blow dryer. It's coming off pretty easy. It's just now I've come to this point where I'm here. I already took off the bolt. It's a 13mm. So it looks like in order to take this off cleanly without cracking it, breaking it, is you gotta take off these windshield wiper arms. So I'm about to take this one off. What I'm gonna do is mark it with this Sharpie so I can get it back into where it was. Hopefully. I hope I'm doing this right. Maybe I'll use this instead. Alright guys, it's going good. I've been using the blow dryer to take off this plastic part to make the heat from the blow dryer melts the sticky stuff. Then you can take this plastic cover off that's over the blower without cracking it. I've come up to this point here where it's under this wiper arm. So I use this Sharpie to line up make a mark on the wiper arm and this nut. And on the nut I saw there's a washer, so I'm going to use this magnet to capture the washer. And now I'm going to try and remove the wiper arm without breaking anything, because that's what I do. I take stuff off and then I break it. So hopefully that will not happen here. Okay, that came off good. Now I have this bolt here that has to come off, which I really don't want to do because I know with experience messing with wipers, you can get into a whole nother level of messing it up or damaging it or not aligning right. So I'll be back. I gotta find a proper size to take this off. Proper size socket. Okay guys, I'm back, and the size of this socket is a 22 millimeter. So you want to stay away from this windshield. These windshields will break if a giant bird comes and shits on your windshield's gonna break. So stay away from that windshield the best you can. Hopefully I will not break my windshield right now. Let me get a screwdriver. You slide it on a pry bar. These cars require lots of patience and time. Take your time with these cars because they're like fragile. I'm gonna heat this up. Try and unstick that glue, and then I will repeat the process on this next one. Right there, and it up. Alright, so got the glue taken off all around here. Little crack happened there. So now I'm going to take off this. I'm going to heat it up and 13 millimeter. This is a 13 millimeter. And then of course you need the other one. So 22, the big one for this here. Now I'm gonna heat this up to take this cap off. And the black seal, and then take this off. So I can't film it because I don't have all the equipment like other people have. I'm just holding my hand on it, so it's kind of difficult. I'll try to set it here. I don't know if it's gonna fall or if you could even see that. I'll try that. I don't know if that's gonna work. Here we go. Alright, I was able to unglue that piece. It looks like it's going to come off. A little bit of cracking, but bit of glue there left. There. All right, so that is the cover. Cracked right here, but the rest of it's in pretty good shape, so that's not bad. I'm putting the car safe place under the car, and now this is the glue that was heating up and that I unstuck with the blow dryer, my wife's blow dryer. Would you look at that? Just look at that. All right, so now okay, so here is one of the screws. It's an 8mm, and I'm just going to unscrew it. Screws come off pretty easy. And there's another one here. And I'm actually just using my phone to guide me because I can't see back there. Let me get my magnet grabber. I think there's a washer there. Let me see if I can use my finger. Some of them are pretty good. So I'm gonna take a peek of her. There's another one. So let's take that one off. This is what the screws look like. Alright, so I took that one off. Now I'm going to try to wiggle this. pry bar. It's on there solid, guys. I don't know if this is gonna come off. Very easy. See these wires here, they're all old. So I know I'm gonna fuck those up because they're in the way of this. Put this camera down. All right, I got the blower out, and you can see it's kind of messy in there, but I'm going to get the shop vac and clean all this out, and I'll be able to change that piece right here. It's part of the AC. I forgot the name of it. It's a valve, some kind of valve that opens and closes for the AC. So just wanted to show that. It's only held on by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 8mm bolts or nuts. Then you just gotta wiggle it out. Wiggle it on this side, wiggle it on that side. It helps to take these vents out too, so you can put your hand in there and kind of raise up on it. Just be very careful and take your time, and it will come off. And yeah, you got to take off these windshield wipers too. That's how you take the plastic cover off without breaking it or destroying it. Alright, that's it for now. Alright, I got the shop vac, and I'm going to be vacuuming a lot of this crud out of here. And let me turn this light on. Alright, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm taking off the valve. This is a 7/8 wrench. other side, so I'll do that. I need 2 hands. All right, today is June 15th, 2019. I was gonna work on the car, but I'm feeling a little bit sick. So I'm just gonna give you a review of what's going on. I got the new compressor. I got this PAG 46 oil. All you use is 2.5 ounces. This is 8 ounces, just use 2.5 ounces. You got the dryer. Here's the dryer. Got the seals. And I got this part here. Got this coming. Probably Wednesday they're going to deliver it. But it's a thing. It takes time to get the parts. It takes time to fix the car, especially if you're doing it yourself. And this is the state of the blower. Yeah. I need to clean the blower as soon as I feel a little better. And ran into a big problem. I thought I was just gonna install the parts and vacuum down the AC and fill it with Freon, and that would be it. But what happened was these wires to the baluster resistor, wires were all corroded, all of them, all the way down the loom, all the way down, all the way. So the wires were all messed up, all the way down to all the way through the loom, and all the way under there and up into the fuse box. And that's pretty much the way it goes. When you work on cars, you start fixing things and you find other stuff. So I had to take off the fuse box. Just unscrew this screw here, and then there's one over here in the corner. Unscrew those, pop it up, and I was able to get to the wires, and they were corroded all the way to the fuse box. So cut those off, put new wires in, ran them all the way back, color coded them, and hopefully that will work. I don't even know if that's gonna work. I just figured I'd try that because I couldn't find any other information on how to replace that wire without taking the whole loom out of the car. That would have been a pain. Hopefully I won't have to do that. But so that's where I'm at. I was gonna continue, but I'm not feeling too good, so I'm just gonna take a break and get back on it later. Let me show you a better picture of those wires and how bad of a shape they are. All right, these are the wires. You can see they're all messed up. I'm sure the wires will still work because my fans were working. It's just all the insulation is off and the wires are touching each other, so that to me is not safe, especially hearing all these things about the cars burning up. All right, that's it for now. I'll get back on it soon, hopefully.